Most seniors are still spending way too much time in the kitchen, but these 25 simple upgrades are changing that fast, and one of them can instantly make cooking easier than ever. Upgrade your breakfast game with the Martha Stewart Rotating Waffle Maker, designed for perfectly golden, fluffy waffles every time. Its 180 degrees flip ensures even cooking, while PFAS-free non-stick plates make cleanup effortless. With an adjustable timer, ready light, and space-saving design, it's both smart and stylish. Grab this sleek stainless steel waffle maker for just $60. Cook a variety of meals with this 3-quart electric hot pot wok. With 1200 W power, non-stick surface, and included steamer, it's perfect for stir-fries, soups, and hot pots. Comes with a silicone spatula, making it ideal for dorms, home use, or as a versatile gift for food lovers. Cook and serve multiple dishes at once with the Amazon Basics Triple Slow Cooker. Featuring 3 2.5-quart pots with ceramic non-stick coating, it offers easy cooking and cleanup. Adjustable temperature controls keep food perfectly warm. Ideal for parties, buffets, and family gatherings. Brew cafe quality coffee at home with the Cafe Specialty Grind and Brew Coffee Maker, just $328. Featuring a built-in grinder, single-serve option, and 10-cup thermal carafe, it delivers rich flavor every time. With Wi-Fi connectivity and SCA certification, it brings smart, barista-level brewing right to your kitchen. Move heavy appliances with ease using this wood appliance slider, just $40. Featuring smooth 360 degrees wheels and a sturdy premium wood base, it effortlessly slides coffee makers and kitchen devices across your countertop. No assembly needed. It's a simple, space-saving solution for a more organized and convenient kitchen. Great with precision using the Kyocera 3.5 ceramic grater, just $20. Perfect for ginger, garlic, cheese, citrus, and more, its ultra-sharp ceramic surface delivers fine, effortless results. Non-slip, rust-proof, and dishwasher-safe, it's a compact, durable tool for everyday kitchen prep. Cook smarter and faster with the Martha Stewart French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo, $300. This 34 cutie powerhouse features 12 in 1 cooking modes, letting you bake, broil, roast, dehydrate, and air fry with ease. It fits a 12-inch pizza, includes 5 versatile accessories, and delivers crispy, even results with countertop convection technology. Stylish stainless steel in linen white completes your modern kitchen upgrade. Cook healthy, delicious meals with ease using the Bella 2-tier food steamer. Its stackable baskets let you steam multiple foods at once, saving time in the kitchen. The spacious 7.4-quart capacity is perfect for family meals, while the removable base ensures easy cleanup. With built-in auto shutoff and boil-dry protection, it's safe and reliable every time. All this convenience and versatility for just $39.99. Meet the Pato Ozone 310 Vacuum Blender. Blend smoother, richer, nutrient-packed drinks that stay fresh longer without separating. With powerful vacuum technology and an extra storage container, it's perfect for healthy, hassle-free blending every day. Add vintage charm to your kitchen with the Elite Gourmet Americana 50s Retro Toaster Oven. This mint-colored countertop oven bakes and toasts with 1,000 watts of power, fits an 8-inch pizza, and features adjustable temperature control with a 60-minute timer, perfect for quick, everyday meals in style. Get perfect results every time with the Govee Bluetooth Meat Thermometer. Designed for smokers, ovens, and grills, it comes with 2 precision probes for monitoring multiple foods at once. Track your cooking easily with the smart LCD backlight, timer mode, and wireless Bluetooth control. Ideal for turkey, beef, fish, and more, no more guesswork. At just $19.99, it's the ultimate affordable upgrade for perfectly cooked meals every time. Easily slice and core fruits with the apple slicer. This heavy-duty cutter handles apples up to 3.8 inches, features 8 slices, a comfort handle, and a stable stand. Plus, it comes with tomato cutting blades for versatile, quick, and safe kitchen prep. Cook perfect rice every time with the Zojirushi ZCC 10 Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker. Just $242. Using advanced fuzzy logic technology, it automatically adjusts cooking for flawless texture and taste. With a 5.5 cup capacity and keep warm function, it's ideal for everyday meals with consistent, delicious results. Make cleaning easy anywhere with this 2.98-gallon collapsible dish basin. Designed with a drain plug for quick water release, it's perfect for washing dishes, camping, or outdoor use. Foldable, portable, and space-saving, ideal for kitchens, RVs, and travel. Make produce cleaning faster and easier with the EKZ Sonic Fruit Vegetable Cleaning Brush. Delivering up to 8,000 vibrations per minute, it efficiently removes dirt with food-grade bristles that are safe for your fruits and veggies. USB-C rechargeable, waterproof, and featuring 3 cleaning modes, it's a smart upgrade for every kitchen. Turn breakfast into something fun with the Presto Belgian Waffle Bowl Maker. Create crispy, fluffy waffle bowls perfect for fruits, ice cream, or savory fillings. Compact, easy to use, and quick to clean, make every meal more creative and delicious. Experience authentic flavor with the Karacha Hatter Turkish Coffee Maker. Brewing up to 5 cups at once, it features automatic temperature control, overflow protection, and ember mode to keep coffee warm. With audible and visual alerts in a sleek, shiny black design, it delivers tradition with modern convenience. Slice and serve watermelon effortlessly with this 2-in-1 watermelon cutter. Made from durable stainless steel, it features a dual-head design to cut perfect cubes and pick them up with ease. Mess-free, quick, and fun to use, perfect for summer snacks at home. Toast smarter with the Consciate 2-Slice Smart Toaster. Featuring a touchscreen, 6 browning levels, and functions for reheat, defrost, and cancel, it delivers perfect toast every time. Extra-wide slots, removable crumb tray, auto pop-up, and anti-jam design make it safe and convenient. Sleek stainless steel meets 925W power for fast, flawless results. Peel, core, and slice fruits effortlessly with the upgraded apple peeler and corer. This manual rotating gadget works on apples, pears, and citrus, and comes with 2 replacement heads and a splitter for easy, precise prep. Upgrade your kitchen with the 33 by 22-inch Smart Waterfall Kitchen Sink Workstation. Handmade from 16-gauge stainless steel in sleek gunmetal black, this drop-in single-bowl sink combines style and durability. Perfect for efficient prep, cleanup, and modern kitchen functionality. Meet the Zojirushi Zudo 5-cup coffee maker. Compact, stylish, and built for great taste every morning. This sleek red brewer features a removable water tank for easy filling, a charcoal water filter for cleaner flavor, and a durable, PFAS-free design you can trust. Perfect for small kitchens, it delivers rich, smooth coffee without the hassle. All for just $90. Prepare healthy, fresh meals for your little one with the Bear Baby Food Maker. This all-in-one set includes a baby food processor, storage containers, silicone spoons, and a puree blender for fruits, vegetables, and meats. Make nutritious, homemade baby food quickly and safely every day. Prep food faster and easier with the Kobach electric food processor meat grinder, just $40. Powered by a pure copper motor and dual-layer blades, it delivers efficient chopping, grinding, and blending. With a 1.9 QT capacity, it's perfect for meat, vegetables, and more, making everyday cooking quick and effortless. Cook with confidence using the Thermomaven 3000-foot smart wireless meat thermometer. Featuring ultra-long range, 6 precision sensors, and NIST-certified accuracy for perfect results every time. With dual thin probes and a large LCD base, it's ideal for grilling, smoking, and barbecue. Slice with precision using this stainless steel onion holder, just $10. Designed with sharp prongs for secure grip, it helps you cut perfect, even slices every time while keeping your fingers safe. Ideal for onions, tomatoes, potatoes, and more, it's a simple tool that makes prep faster and easier. Chop and blend anywhere with this rechargeable mini food processor. With a 300 milliliters capacity and sharp stainless steel blades, it easily handles garlic, nuts, onions, meat, and spices. Cordless, compact, and BPA-free, It's perfect for quick prep at home or on the go. Make homemade baby food simple with the Infantino Squeeze Station. Fill up to 3 reusable pouches at once with ease. Dishwasher safe and easy to use, it's an essential tool for preparing healthy, mess-free meals for your little one, convenient and fun. Keep your pantry fresh and organized with the Rubbermaid Brilliance 16-cup airtight container. Designed to lock in freshness, it's perfect for storing flour, sugar, and dry foods. Crystal clear design lets you see contents at a glance, while the secure lid prevents spills. Smart, clean storage made easy. Peel faster and safer with the Mutter 4-piece finger vegetable peeler set. Designed with a comfortable rubber finger grip, it gives you better control while peeling potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and more. Compact, easy to use, and efficient, perfect for quick everyday kitchen prep. Cook perfect rice anywhere with the Bear Mini Rice Cooker. This portable 1.2L cooker handles 2 cups uncooked rice, features a non-stick BPA-free pot, and a 1-button cook and keep warm function. Compact, easy to use, and ideal for travel or small kitchens. Start your day with the Nostalgia 3-in-1 breakfast station. Brew coffee, cook on the non-stick griddle, and toast in the 4-slice oven, all at once. With a built-in timer and retro red design, it's the perfect all-in-one solution for quick, delicious mornings. Turn breakfast into something fun with the Starblue Double Waffle Bowl Maker. Create delicious Belgian waffle bowls in minutes, perfect for ice cream, fruit, and more. With 1200 W of power and an easy-to-use design, it's a creative kitchen must-have and a perfect gift idea for any occasion. Upgrade your cooking game with the NewWave Combi Steam Oven, just $360. This 16-quart multi-cooker combines air fry, steam, sous vide, and more with 120 presets and precise 50 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit control. With moisture control and a non-toxic stainless steel design, it delivers healthier, perfectly cooked meals with ease. Organize your kitchen with the Copco 2-tier non-skid turntable. This 12-inch durable organizer rotates smoothly, keeping spices, condiments, and pantry items within easy reach. Easy to clean and stylish in white and gray. Perfect for any cabinet or countertop. Upgrade your kitchen prep with the Cook with Color Nesting Bowl Set. This 8-piece set includes mixing bowls, a colander, sifter, and measuring cups, all in a space-saving nesting design. Stylish in mint and easy to use, it makes cooking, baking, and organizing simple and efficient. Create fresh, plant-based drinks at home with this nut milk maker machine. With 8 presets and a high-speed blender, it easily makes soy, oat, and almond milk. Featuring auto-clean, delay start, and a 33 ounces capacity. Healthy, convenient, and perfect for dairy-free living. Organize your kitchen effortlessly with the all-inside 3-in-1 magnetic wrap dispenser. Made from bamboo wood, it neatly stores plastic wrap, foil, and wax paper with built-in cutters for easy use. Magnetic design and 3-layer storage. Perfect for a clean, clutter-free kitchen. Keep every dish warm and ready with the Lalashie electric food warming mat, just $67. This XXL 36 by 15 foldable mat uses advanced graphene heating with 7 temperature settings for perfect serving control. Ideal for parties and buffets, it's portable, easy to store, and comes with a spoon rest and travel pad for added convenience. Make perfect sealed meals in seconds with the CRMPT Large Tortilla Sealer. Designed for 10 to 12-inch tortillas, it easily creates tacos, quesadillas, and burritos without mess. BPA-free, dishwasher-safe, and built for convenience. Quick, fun, and perfect for every kitchen. Meet the 10-in-1 nut milk maker machine, your all-in-one solution for fresh, homemade drinks. With a 40-ounce capacity, it effortlessly creates almond milk, oat milk, soy milk, juices, and shakes. Enjoy smart features like auto-clean, 24-hour delay, keep warm, and boil water. Perfect for healthy, plant-based living. Keep your food, drinks, and skincare cool, or warm, anywhere with the Kulyalai Mini Fridge. This portable 4L/6 fridge is perfect for bedroom, dorm, office, or car use, with with 12 VAC DC power and an exclusive USB option. Compact, versatile, and ideal for drinks, snacks, or beauty products on the go. Bake fresh, homemade bread effortlessly with the Zojirushi BB HAC 10 mini bread maker, just $270. This compact, programmable machine makes perfect 1-pound loaves with customizable settings for dough, cake, and more. Easy to use and space-saving, it delivers bakery-quality results right from your kitchen. Enjoy pure, safe drinking water with the Ageri UV Reverse Osmosis Countertop System, just $260. Featuring advanced 5-stage RO filtration with UV purification, it removes impurities while saving water with a 5-to-1 efficiency ratio. No plumbing needed and compact in design, it's the perfect hassle-free solution for clean, fresh water at home. Squeeze every drop with the Zuli Kitchen Stainless Steel Lemon Squeezer, just $25. Made from heavy-duty solid metal, it extracts maximum juice from lemons and limes with minimal effort. Durable, easy to use, and mess-free, it's the perfect tool for fresh juice in your favorite drinks and recipes. Enjoy hot meals anywhere with this 3.5L 2-layer electric lunchbox, just $36. With 90W fast heating and a 304 stainless steel detachable liner, it warms food quickly and safely. Featuring multi-voltage support for car, truck, home, or office, it's the perfect portable solution for fresh, warm meals on the go. Keep your fruits and veggies fresh longer with the TQRR 4-pack silicone food storage set, just $13. These reusable containers are perfect for avocados, apples, onions, and more, sealing in freshness and reducing waste. Flexible, durable, and fridge-friendly, they're a smart, eco-friendly solution for everyday food storage. Enjoy refreshing treats anytime with the Dash Shaved Ice Maker, just $34. Create snow cones, slushies, cocktails, and more in seconds with this easy-to-use machine. Its compact, space-saving design and simple cleanup make it perfect for fun, icy desserts at home. Clean your whisk in seconds with the Whisk Wiper, just $20. This clever multipurpose tool wipes away batter and sauces effortlessly, reducing waste and mess. Includes an 11 stainless steel whisk, making it perfect for baking and cooking. A simple, smart gadget and a great gift for any kitchen enthusiast. Bake fresh bread at home with the Elite Gourmet Programmable Bread Maker. Create up to a 2-pound loaf with 3 size options and 19 smart presets, including gluten-free, dough, and jam. With a convenient delay timer, enjoy perfectly baked bread anytime. Easy, customizable, and delicious. Keep your fridge neat and organized with the Zagtag egg holder, just $20. This 2-tier stackable drawer stores up to 40 eggs while saving valuable space. Made from clear, durable plastic for easy visibility, it's the perfect solution for safe, tidy, and convenient egg storage. Keep your drinks warm in style with the Jukfita Teapot Warmer. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy with a sleek wood base, it's perfect for heating tea, coffee, milk, or food. Ideal for indoor and outdoor use. Simple, elegant, and efficient. Peel like a pro with the Kuhn Ricken Original Swiss Peeler 3-pack, just $17. Featuring ultra-sharp carbon steel blades, these lightweight peelers glide through fruits and vegetables with ease. Designed for comfort and precision, this colorful set is a must-have for fast, effortless kitchen prep. Keep your food fresh longer with the HWLDN Storage Vacuum Food Storage Container Set. This 6-piece BPA-free glass set includes a manual pump that removes air to lock in freshness. The leak-proof design is perfect for meal prep, marinating, and storing leftovers while keeping flavors and nutrients sealed in. Create healthy, delicious meals with the Aurocomb Vegetable Spiralizer. Featuring 4 built-in blades, it easily turns veggies into perfect noodles and spirals. Ideal for zucchini, carrots, and more, it's quick, easy, and perfect for making fresh, low-carb dishes at home.